So hello everyone, once again welcome back. So in this video, what I do, I simply want to print two tables, yeah, three tables and any tables by using the loops. So this is a very important question and also asked in the interview. So let's start. So what we do, we using the with the help of the for loop, yeah, while loop, yeah, do while loop, we print the table two tables, yeah, simply three tables and four tables. So how to print the tables? Before learning the loops, you simply, what we do, simply write printf percent percent d, and here simply print the two. After then simply copy it and control this. Let's, I want to new line, control v. Here simply what you do, 4, and after then 6 7 8, let's say take the only 2 2 the 2 2 to the 4 2 2 3 the 6 2 4 ja 8 2 5 ja 10 2 6 the 12, and so on. Let's run it. So here you can say two table are printed, 2 to the 4 2 to the 6. So this is the before we learning the while loop and loops. You simply see the while loops. So we have the loops concept, and you might be learn about the what's the loops and all the things. If you're not watching my loops video, so you can watch the my loops video where I cover the all the entire loops which is available in the C language, do while loops and the for loop. So in this video I using the for loop, and you can also the write the code in the same code as the do while loop and the while loop. So it's your homework to write the same code and the while loop and also the do while loop and post in my comment box. So let's start it. So what we want to do, I want to a loop which run as the 10 times. Simple say that I want a loop which run as the 10 times. So simply write for int I equals to 1, because it is the our initial statement. After that we give the condition I equals to 10, and you also I equal to 10, and simply we increment the value of the I. After then what I will do, in my previous video you can see I simply print the i's value. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 is printed. So in this I simply, what I do, I simply multiply the value with the I. So simply I multiply the 2 value with the I. So 2 into 1 equal to I, and so on. So how to multiply this? Simply I use the printf. In the printf I simply use the percent d. After then what I do, I simply 2 multiply by I, he give me the 2 multiply by I. First when initially value I equal to 1 1 multiply by 2, he give me the output as the 2. After then again increment the value. So when the increment the value I become 2, 2 greater than equals to 10, yes, condition is 2. Again he multiplied 2 into 2, he give me the output as the 4, and go and so on. Again the become I become 3. After then again check the condition and go to the entire. When when this particular condition is false, this is the terminate our for loop. For loop. So this is all about. So let's I run it. This particular line is I run it. Oh sorry, I using the, I might be I using slash n. So here you can say our two table is printed. Sometimes they give me the, here you can say our two table is printed, 2 2 1 2 2 4 2 2 6 2 2 6 and all those things. Let's I want to three table. So simply here I write only threes and save it and run it. So here you can say three tables is printed. If I want to port 10 tables, so here I am simply write tens. After then I printed. Here we say the, see the tens table is printed. So this is all about to how to print the tables. Let's suppose I want to the value from the user and on simply printed. So simply what I do, I take the one value, initial value int a equals to a, and with the help of printf, I simply use first I use the printf. So in printf, I simply write enter value. You can say enter numbers and all the things. After then, what I use, I simply use the scanf, and the scanf uh, I simply want the are using the address of a what's all the things address of all why you using the address of and all the things you watch my videos in the printf and scanner which is available in the YouTube with which name is go to the my CSS C language playlist, and here you can one video which name is the input output. Then you watch the input output video, you better understand what is the scanf and how the use the how if you want to take the data from the user, how to scan of work and all the things. Here man, if you watch the it is very good, but here I also explain you. Here I want to integer type value, so I use percent and here I using the one operator which name is address of, and in the English one you also know as the and so here I use the address of and give the particular value. So he go to the our hard drive, yeah, our memory, and he put this particular address of a means where a is stored, a is where a is present in the address of a, simply put the value which user can insert. So this is all about. After then I simply what I do, I simply here I write a and control s and run it. So here you can say enter the value. If I write the 5, after then you can see, sorry my my VS could give me the enter the value. I simply write 5, after then I enter. Here you can say 5 tables is printed. Let's suppose I want, I also enter anything. Here he say enter the value. I simply enter 18. After that I enter. You can say 18 tables is printed. This is all about how to print the table using the for loop. I also cover the how to take the input from the user and print the particular table. So this is all about the how to print the table. So your homework is, in the earlier I say to use this, here I using the for loop. You also use the while loop, how to print the table using the while loop, and also use the how to print the same table using the do while loop. So that's for this video. Thank you.